guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, I know. Well, though maybe not so much of a minute. See, I'm filming this. I had pre-filmed a video that I'm gonna be uploading today, hopefully. And so this one will be not too far after that one, but I haven't filmed in a really long time. I haven't filmed in over a month. But today I'm so excited to bring you guys this makeup look that I used with the ABH Royal Affair palette. It's a beautiful palette, has a lot of different finishes, and the great thing about it is that I feel like it has a lot of neutral colors. I think they truly describe the palette accurate. This has a range of neutral and metal colors. It comes with a mirror. All the colors have names in the front. It's cruelty free. Yeah, it's a 20 color eyeshadow palette featuring a luxe range of rich neutrals, precious gemstones, and vibrant metal shades. And I can say 100% that is what you get in this palette. I am so shocked by how good this is, and I'm shocked that no one else is talking about it. We all used to watch YouTube to like see what was out there, but I feel like everyone is so caught up in PR packages and like what companies send them that they almost forget that there's a whole nother world of makeup out there that could be touched and reached, and you know, it isn't. You know, I hope you guys enjoy this look. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I touch base on a lot of new products I've been using, a lot of good finds, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Catch you next time.
On a microphone. Hopefully it's not too loud or too crazy or anything. Otherwise, we will have a garbage video. Okay. So to start off, hopefully this is going to help with a lot of the background noise that we typically hear, like my neighbors, the dog, the cats and birds and all that jazz. Yes, so we're trying the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. I got this because what would Lizzie do? She's a YouTube here, and she loves this stuff. It's like supposed to be pore filling and smoothing, and I don't really have many pores, but I do have some, and I just feel like this is more for dry skin, because in the past I've always felt that it makes me a bit oily. This guy has been a go-to recently. He's just great. I've been loving, which sucks. Okay, the concealer doesn't suck. It's the Maybelline Conceal and Perfect, but mine had, you know, a devastating fall, and it broke because it's glass. So that's what happens when you have glass luxe shit. It just fucking breaks on you. So mine broke. The good thing is I can really get all the product from here or anything like that. I got this Too Faced Cocoa Contour. I got this from TJ Maxx, and it has some beautiful shades in here. And yesterday I tried it for the first time, and I was actually really, I mean, are we surprised? I was really impressed with it. So today I'm going to put on this shade here. I haven't tried this one for under my eyes, so hopefully it looks good and flawless. I mean, it's not my favorite under eye powder, and I think I'm not going to use that for that again. I love the Hourglass Veil powder. This one has such a beautiful finish. You see that? It's just like it fixed that in a second. Using the Maybelline Fit Me. And it's crazy because this is light medium, but it has such a, it's like when you look at it in here, you're like, girl, that's light medium. How is that light medium? And I like to use my Makeup Forever, this kind of brush, because it's not super dense, so I'm not going to pack on all this freaking powder all over my face. but it's also so damn messy. Like, girl, why are you so messy? Why can't you just be like the other women and not be a mess? Okay, so now that we've got our powders on our faces, we're gonna do our brows, and well, we've got some brows. Now let's prime our lids. I picked up this Essence I Heart Color Intensifying eye base, this little guy. But this one is so creamy that I feel like it doesn't set on its own. You definitely have to set it, which sometimes I'll just take like whatever's leftover powder on from my under eyes, and I'll just set it with that. I'm gonna take the color Emperor, which is more like of a pukey color right. And this is like a pukey, like, to me this is like a pukey color. It's not, you know, it's not like an orange, it's not a brown, it has like a little bit of a yellow tint to it, which I guess is like the thing that makes it a little bit pukey in my mind. And this brush is by Urban Studio, so they carry a lot of like Urban Studio brushes at TJ Maxx, and it's pretty good, as y'all can see right here. I'm gonna take this color right here, which is Monarch.
Army green. Like a very army green. But you kind of have to like build it up. Upon first swatch, it wasn't really all there, you know? So now we're kind of just building this in the outer corner. It literally wasn't a planned thing. I hadn't even seen anyone with this palette. And I was like, this is dope. I really like this shade. It's super buildable. So although at first I was kind of hesitant about it, now I'm like, yes bitch, give me the green color. We are like smoking the shit out of this. So I'm gonna take some of my Milani Make It Last and spray it. Spray my little brush, and then I'm gonna take that. It's called Imperial. Really pretty looking color. Whoa. Whoa. Like Sundays are their washing days. Wow, how pretty is that? I am in love with this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that other color, this little silver color here, Aristocrat. Take this one. And I'm just going to apply this. You guys see that? Let me try to add a little bit of this one with my finger. Imperial, which was that same, this gold color we used. I just want to see if the texture or the application is a little bit different. Yeah, it's definitely different. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with the original brush we used. I'm going to blend this out a little bit more because I feel like we've definitely lost some of that color. You know what? I was thinking about it and I was like, let's use that crown color, which is that pukey green. Like, and we're just going to add it as an inner corner situation here. Ooh. I feel like this look is really going to come together with our eyeliner. So I'm taking the NYX eyeliner. Bam, bitch. I'm so impressed by this palette. Like, these colors are the shit. Look at that. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Okay, now we're gonna go back to that Too Faced Cocoa Contour. And I used the color Medium Cocoa yesterday, so I'm gonna go back with Medium Cocoa today. And I know that people are always like, oh my god, don't use the brushes, they're like trash. But this brush is really soft. You know, get a little our little forehead up here, you know. Gotta hit them angles. Gotta hit them angles. Don't want to look. For blush, I'm gonna try this Essence matte blush. I got this last time I was at Ulta. It's called Berry Me Up. I love berry blushes. Love this. This is such a nice color. I'd recommend. And once again, that's Essence matte blush in Berry Me Up. This Bare Minerals Invisible Glow. And so this is the color medium. This pinky gold shimmer. I'm gonna go with this one. It's just such a pretty glow. It's not blinding, but it's not like invisible either. And then for lashes today, I'm trying these Salon Perfect. These guys. It looks like I tried a pair already, but I don't remember. And I'm using this Essence. If you haven't tried an Essence mascara, girl, you are not living, because these Essence mascaras are fucking the shit. There we go. Wow. This is pretty. It's not super intense, so I'm gonna add some mascara to really make them look, because they're not, I guess that's the thing, they're not thick. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. This, since we used the Black Noir liquid, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Black Noir pencil. Ugh. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara so that they kind of like are more visible, because I feel like they're not as visible because they're like super thin. I don't know, what do you guys think? For the lips, first I'm gonna scrub them, and I'm gonna use my sugar scrub. Today we're also gonna prep our lips with the Milani lip treatment. I've said this before, I don't think this is like any big deal, but I do feel like it's like a lip balm. And for our lip combo today, we're going to be using MAC Whirl and the NYX Lip Suede. No, Liquid Lip Suede. Not a pink lip, which is what I always have. Let's put on the... So much for it not being a warm tone. It's totally a warm tone. So it's a lip suede, so it doesn't dry matte or anything like that. It stays a little bit creamy. Now I'm going to set my face, and I'm just using the Milani Make It Last. I love this palette. Shit. Like, this is so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, just make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my social media. I'm a lot more active on there than I am on here. And yeah, make sure you check out my video with my friend getting ready. Like I said, we have some crazy ass stories in that video, and it's pretty funny. Maybe it's a little bit slow in the beginning, but we pick up pace. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and until next time, bye guys.